It's Challah time by Latifa Kropf. Today is Friday. Time to make challah for Shabbat. First, we need lots of flour. Then we add yeast to make it rise, and cinnamon and honey to make it sweet. Crack! In go the eggs. Then we mix, and knead to make it smooth. The dough has been resting and growing. Soon it will be ready to be made into loaves. Rebecca is rolling the dough into 3 snakes. And Josh is braiding them together. The loaves are ready to bake. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Josh likes cinnamon and sugar on his challah. Goodbye, challah. Time to go to the oven. While the challah is baking, Rebecca and her friends are sharing a book. And Cantor Allen is teaching us Shabbat songs. Toda Rabbah Dina for setting the table for our Shabbat party. The challah is finished baking. It's warm and brown and ready to eat. Let's cover it and place it on the table with the candles and grape juice. We sing the blessing and light the candles, bringing the light into ourselves. Then we sing a blessing and sip some juice. Shabbat tastes sweet. Uncover the challah. It feels so warm. Let's sing the blessing and taste our bread. Yum!